Are you looking for the best indoor herb gardens? In this video we will look at some of the best indoor herb gardens the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AeroGarden Harvest Elite Herb Garden. A favorite among our testers, the AeroGarden can grow an abundance of greens in a compact device that fits on a window ledge. The hydroponic garden includes a full-spectrum grow light that's intended to mimic the effects of sunlight. The set includes 6 herb seed pods, but other herb, veggie and flower pods are available to purchase from the AeroGarden website. You can also choose to use your own seeds, but you will need to buy a Grow Anything seed pod kit in order to do so. When we tested this unit, we found the plants grew in the recommended time frame listed on the pod and the lights worked on the recommended schedule. No additional soil is required, as it comes with liquid plant nutrients, and there's an indicator to remind you to fill up the water and add the plant food. We found that it was very easy to set up and appreciated the lighted reminders to add plant food and water. The AeroGarden Harvest claims to grow plants up to 6 times faster than soil. When we tested it at home, we found that herbs and lettuce grew so fast they needed to be harvested every few days, which makes it great for someone who uses these frequently. Take note, if the plants are left to grow for too long they may start pressing against the lights and burning. Number 2. Amazing Creation Vertical Garden Planter. We love that this affordable, plastic garden looks great indoors or outdoors. Each layer is meant to store 5 plants, and the garden holds 15 plants when all 5 tiers are stacked vertically. For this one, you won't have to worry about purchasing pricey pods. You're welcome to use any seeds and soil, although you'll need to purchase it separately. The planter pots are also lightweight, meaning you can move the stackable garden around, depending on your home's sunlight. You will need to water your plants accordingly, but the soil separator is designed to minimize the risk of root rot. If you're looking for a quick, simple solution, online reviewers agree this planter is so easy to assemble. Just note this one doesn't have built-in lights and isn't self-watering, so prepare for a bit more manual upkeep. Capacity 15 plants requires brands seeds/pods no. Number 3. IDOO Indoor Herb Garden Kit. A bestseller on Amazon, this indoor garden kit holds up to 12 pods at a lower price compared to similar size garden kits. Plus, you can also use your own seeds, unlike other brands that require the use of proprietary pods, but it does call for IDOO-specific sponges which are sold separately. Based on testing, we love that this has a water level window so you never have to guess when it needs water and that it has a simple control panel for the lights and fan. It also features an adjustable height LED light panel and a water pump that can turn on and off automatically to circulate the water. Added bonus, it's available in a few different colors and styles, if aesthetics are important to you. Capacity 12 plants, dimensions 10.2 x 13.8 x 11.3. Number 4. In Bloom Hydroponics Growing System. Not only does this indoor herb garden use red light technology to encourage your plants to flower and fruit, its sleek design is available in 3 trendy colors, including gold, green, white and black. It's compact enough to fit on the counter, but the height also adjusts to accommodate taller plants. This style fits 5 pods, but there's also a 10-pod option in select colors. The system has a 2.5-liter water tank, automatic timer and 2 different grow modes, one for flowers, one for fruits and veggies. You'll receive grow baskets, domes, grow sponges and rods, but you'll have to purchase seeds separately. Luckily, the grow sponges are easy to replace when you run out, so no expensive maintenance required here. Capacity 5 plants, dimensions 6.1 x 6.4 x 11.2. Number 5. Veritable Smart Indoor Garden. Unlike other indoor herb gardens that require water and light scheduling through an app, the Veritable Smart Indoor Garden works with a preset lighting schedule and water that self-levels from a reservoir, so there's no need to program it and fuss with an app. We love the variety of pods offered in addition to herbs such as strawberries, squash blossoms, chilies and more. The different plants can grow together, however, GH analyst Eva Blia notes that it did take longer to grow some of the produce like strawberries or chilies, compared to herbs like parsley or basil. Pods must be purchased from Veritable's website to be compatible with the indoor garden, and we had one pod grow mold while testing. We have found this does occasionally happen with other herb gardens as well. Capacity for plants dimensions 13.0 x 7.3 x 15.0.